This protocol utilizes microwave irradiation and a palladium catalyst to attach a heteroaryl fragment directly on the alpha carbon of a ketone. The main advantage of this technique is the rapid construction of heteroaryl compounds for medicinal chemistry screening, for catalyst system development, and for tandem organic reaction discovery.
The long-term implication of our research is the synthesis of an effective aromatase inhibitor to be used as a potential treatment for hormone receptor-positive breast cancer.
Mistakes will most likely come from spills while using the glove box, so our advice is to take your time, as the reaction doesn't require a fast pace to be successful.
Transport the needed reagents and supplies into the glove box. Inside the purged glove box, weigh 115 milligrams of sodium tert butoxide directly into the 4 milliliter microwave reaction vial. Use a glass pipette to add 1 milliliter of degassed toluene into the microwave reaction vial. Weigh 9 milligrams of X-phos palladicycle generation 4 catalyst and add it into the microwave vial. Dip the spatula into the solution in the vial and swirl to ensure the complete transfer of the catalyst. Then, use a suitable microliter syringe to add 64.4 microliters of acetophenone into the microwave vial. Weigh 103 milligrams of 3-iodopyridine and add it into the microwave vial. Next, add another 1 milliliter of degassed toluene so that the total reaction mixture is about 3 milliliters.